So this skeleton I have already prepared and kept, as I taught you, a cuboid, vertical cuboid, and then all 6 faces should be able to should be seen visible, and I have drawn another face in the center, which is going to be the seat of the chair. So for any kind of chair, this skeleton you can draw, you can use, and you can draw any design. Even if you want to draw a sofa chair, you can use this design to draw the sofa chair. Now I'm going to teach you, here I'm going to teach you a chair with arms, and here I will teach you a sofa chair. Let us start drawing this. Now for that, for the chair with the arms, so the arms usually come on this side and this side, because this is the face and this is the back. So let's start drawing the arm. So for that we'll make a curved line like that. We already have this shape, so starting from this point till this point, and same thing from this point till this point. Okay, also we have to give the thickness to this chair for the seat, so double lines. Okay, now first we'll draw all the lines that we do not need. So this is going to be the back, this is going to be the seat. So we will just erase the lines that we do not want. Okay. Also this line, because the seat is not transparent, so we cannot see through the seat, so we are going to erase this. But this line we'll keep. Now to give thickness to the armrest, I'm just going to double these lines. And any lines falling in between these two lines I will erase. Okay. Now we'll give it a little cushion effect, because the lines are very straight, so it's will make it a cushion chair with a lot of cushioning over here. So for that, all the straight lines that we can see will be converted to curved lines. So this line will start from here but end here. Same this line. So we are just changing into curved lines. Now this is the armrest, and this is not going to be visible. As I said, we can cover it, or you can make it like a closed chair. So if you want a closed chair, we'll erase. If you don't want a closed chair, then you can continue the lines like that. So let's make it a closed chair. Okay, this is the seat. So here you won't be able to see anything. So now our basic chair is ready. Let's make the legs. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4 vertical lines that are remaining are going to be the legs of the chair. So I'm just simply going to make them into double lines. You can make the legs as thick or as thin as you want. You can also make beautiful design for the legs. Okay. Now again, these are the lines that we do not need anymore, so I will erase them. So our chair with arms is ready. Here I will teach you a sofa chair. Same thing we'll do. We'll start first making with the arms, because all the sofa chairs usually have arms. So we'll make a nice sofa chair with arms. Before that, we're going to make double lines for the seat. Okay. Then we'll make the arms. Line for the arms, which will extend. So in the sofa chair, it will go a little below this line. Okay. So we'll start from here, and then the same line I'm going to double and get it till here. Same thing I am going to do on the other side. It has to be at the same level. Now this much is done. Now we'll just erase the unnecessary lines that we do not want, so that we don't get confused. So these are the lines that I do not want. Now because it's a sofa, all this will get, it will hide. So let's erase. This line also I don't want. The lines inside the seat, and these are outside anyway, so we will not need these. Any lines which are inside these double lines, that also I will erase. Okay, now we have the basic structure or the basic outline of the chair. Now we'll make it a little cushiony. As I said, we just the straight, we'll just have to make it curved, but for that I'll lightly erase, and now I will curve these lines. Same with these lines. The more you curve, the more cushiony effect you will get. Okay, now what about this? Now this is going to be the seat, so it's usually thicker. So what I'll do is I'll make it curved, and if you want, you can increase the size of this double line, make it a little thicker, or you can keep it here also. So let's see how it looks if I make it thicker. Okay, and it has to end here. The chair ends here. Parallel line. Erase the unnecessary lines, and we still have to make legs. As you can see, the fourth leg will not be visible because our chair is ending here, and the point where we make our fourth leg is already gone up, so the fourth leg won't be visible. So let's make the legs. Okay, now if you want, you can give it a little more design. You know, when they add in buttons to the sofa, you could just add this. Okay, always erasing the unnecessary line. Now what I'll do is I will outline them with a sketch pen, so that in the end, when you have drawn your chair and you want to color it, just to see how it's going to look. Now I'm just going to outline it with a marker for you to able to see. So this is how you can draw any design for the chair. You just need to have the basic skeleton of the chair, which is the cuboid. Now if you're saying this chair is facing this side, if you want the chair to face this side, very simple. Whenever you draw your cuboid, it just has to face the other side. So now I drew a cuboid this way. Now you just have to draw a cuboid this way, where the lines are going the other way. Okay, so how will you do that? The first face, these are the lines, and then parallel lines. Okay. So when you draw a cuboid which is facing this side, your chair will face this side. Okay. So children, I hope you have learnt something today. There are so many things you can make using just the cuboid that I showed you. You could also make sofas, but for the cuboid, how will you place the cuboid? You will keep it horizontal. That I'll teach you in the next class, how to draw a sofa and how to draw tables. For this I want you, for this class I want you to practice making the cuboid. I also want you to practice making different designs of chairs. As I showed you, there are so many designs that you can make. So this is the chair we made first, and these are the other two designs that I showed you using the same skeleton or the same cuboid. So children, I hope you have enjoyed your art lesson today, and keep drawing, and thank you children.